pink Rose. Rose tried to lock me in security. She locked me with her. My friend, why would I press button then? Let's vote Rose. Because you tried to manipulate them. Vote Rose. Storage. Blue. Nobody was there, to be honest. Nana was on top of the map. Yup, it's blue.